What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to enable or disable video call effects in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on advanced features. Now in advanced features, scroll down and here you will see a video call effects button. So if you want to disable video call effects, then turn off this button, and if you want to enable the video call effects, then tap on this button again to turn it back on. So with this button you can enable or disable video call effects in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.